Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing well, and in this video I'm going to share with you guys a really exciting topic, and the topic is all about GrowPlanner. Why I named this channel GrowPlanner, what is GrowPlanner, and what kind of problems GrowPlanner will be solving. So first of all, GrowPlanner is actually a marketing framework which you can use, which you can deploy on your websites, on your business, and you can actually bring in a lot of traffic and a lot of business for you. So you can learn this framework, you can apply the steps which are mentioned in this framework, and that can, I hope, help you a lot in your marketing journey. There are two parts of GrowPlanner. The first one is the Grow and the second one is Planner. I have also compiled a book which is explaining everything about GrowPlanner, and you can download this book or you can order it from Amazon. So the book is available in ebook version, hardcover like this one, right? So this is a little hard kind of cover. So the book is available in hardcover, the book is available in Kindle format, or also available in paperback format. So the book explains everything about like how to apply different kind of marketing frameworks, marketing strategies from zero to end. Like you don't have to check, you don't have to go and download different kind of steps to do a lot of things, but you can just download the book or you can just buy or order the book from Amazon. The link is also in the description below. GrowPlanner is actually made up of two words. So the first word is obviously grow and the second word is planner. Grow is actually the first part where we have kind of foundational services or foundational things which we need to take care of for our marketing strategies. And planner is actually the later part. It came into my mind, I started writing it when I was researching like how to improve the marketing efforts on different kind of websites or businesses. When we start, especially startups, we face a lot of challenges with the marketing, like how should we conduct our marketing, what practices or what steps we do first and what steps we do later. So in this video I will explain some of the things, some of the core concepts. I will put some screenshots from the e-version of the book so you can get an idea like what kind of text or frameworks, different frameworks are available in this book. So first of all, why it is GrowPlanner. So each letter in GrowPlanner is representing a kind of stage or step in our marketing process, right? So with G we have gathering niche insights. With R we have reviewing budget allocation. With O we have optimizing website usability and conversion. With W we have website hosting optimization. With P we have perfecting CRM implementation. With L we have leveraging SEO services. With A we have amplifying social media marketing. With N we have navigating automation tools. Then again we have N, another N, and with this N we have nurturing lead generation. With E we have evaluating traffic and sales, and with R we have refining growth strategies. These all things are actually in a sequence. We have to follow the sequence, and if we follow the sequence, everything will be fine. Means our marketing will be working really awesome and it will be nurturing results to us. Again, as I mentioned, there are two words, grow and planner. So the first word, grow, are the components or are the foundational components of the marketing strategy, right? So gathering niche insights, reviewing budget allocation, optimizing website usability, and website hosting optimization are actually the foundational components, plus they are not recurring. Means we just set up them for once and maybe we will be reviewing that after 3 months or 6 months. Means we will not be reviewing them every day or every week or every month. So the recurrence in this kind of foundational components is not very frequent. Means these are the basic foundational core elements of the marketing strategy. Means we have not studied the niche, like which kind of niche we are going to target, or if we are not targeting any niche, then means our marketing will not be very effective. Means we don't know like what kind of marketing we are going to run or which market or segment we are going to target. So first of all, we have to be very specific. We have to check, we have to set ourselves to something like what is the target, where we are going to target our marketing, right? Okay, now the second one is the letter R. So R is for reviewing budget allocation. So what happens is most of the times we do not either allocate any budget or we allocate very little budget, or sometimes we allocate a lot of budget on the marketing. and we don't know like on which area we should invest. Should we invest more on paid ads Should we invest more on Facebook? Should we invest more on Instagram or Google paid ads, or should we invest on Amazon? So we don't know like on which area we should invest how much amount. First of all, if the niche is understood properly, then the second part is we have to allocate the budget for that particular niche targeting, right? And we have to go in deep, and we have to understand like how to review the budget, how to allocate the budget. So this is the second most crucial thing. So the things are actually in sequence. Like for GrowPlanner, everything for this, if you are going to implement this framework, the things will be in sequence. So first we will gather the niche insights, then we will go and we will review the budget allocation. Now the third part is like your website optimization is very important. So if it is not optimized, so what does that mean? So optimizing means three things here, but I am focusing mainly here on the functional aspect of the website. So the functional aspect is, so let's imagine you focused mostly on the aesthetic elements or the look of the website, like how the colors and branding, everything is coming up, but you are not checking on the usability of the website. So for example, there are tons of different kind of links on the home page, and there's a lot of clutter on the home page. People are coming on the home page and they are just getting distracted with a lot of things. So for example, we are putting home, about us, contact us, what's new, who we are, what we do, a lot of things, but nothing is actually a kind of thing which is sales related or marketing related. So we have to put the content or the structure of the website in a way that actually creates a kind of funnel, right? So the concept of the funnel is like we will guide the prospects or the people who are actually coming on the website that where should they go. Means either they come on the website, buy something from us, or they just leave the website. So it might sound unethical, but it's not actually, because so what we want to do here is we want to create a clear path for the people who are coming or landing on our website. They know like this is where they have to go, and this is how to purchase or buy something, or if they are not interested, then they can just leave the website. Or in other words, we are making it easier for the users so that when they're coming or landing on our website, it's very easy for them to navigate the website. So what we will be doing is, means we will be putting 2 to 3 or maximum 4 steps in the journey for the users, so they can come, they can select the product, they can add the product to the cart, and then they can easily check out. And during the checkout process, if we can add or give some more options for the user to do a cross sell or upsell kind of thing. But if on our website there are a lot of irrelevant links, for example, once the user added something into the cart and they are on the cart page or they are on the checkout page, and then we are showing there something else also, like for example there we are showing our blog posts, or we are showing there like our legal terms and conditions, or we are showing there something else, some kind of what's new or section, or some other section, our new products or something like that. So then actually we are distracting the user, or we are also damaging the kind of user experience. So what we have to do is we have to be very concise, we have to be very sure, like when the user is actually opening the website will be making perfect clear sense for the user, and it will be helping the user to navigate the website easily, instead of a lot of irrelevant information with a lot of animations and things jumping from here and there. So we have to be careful in those kind of things. Means it's very important. Means the structure of the website optimization or the functional aspect of the website should be very easy for the user, and it should be also meaningful. Means they can go from the website really easily, and that navigation or that experience will be benefiting us also, in terms of like it should be making some kind of sales. Instead we are just distracting the users here or there. Now the fourth letter of the word grow is W, and W stands for website hosting optimization. Okay, what does that mean? Most of the times what happens is we underestimate the power of hosting. Like we host our website on shared servers, or we host our website where our user base is not readily available. So for example, if most of our users are based in UK, so we should host our website somewhere near UK or inside UK. But what we are doing is, in most of the cases, we are hosting our website in US, because maybe we are finding a cheap hosting there, actually making their website far away from them, a really bad performance kind of website or slow website, or the website is not loading, or search engine is not going it really good score for loading. But these things we will be discussing in our future videos, like how to improve the hosting, and those things are also described in detail in my book as well. Plus I will be also making a lot of videos in future regarding each and every topic which I discussed in the book, so you can subscribe to the channel and you can learn from there also. So these are the 4 core elements of any digital marketing strategy. So first of all, before going to SEO services, or before going to social media posting, which normally people do, we have to fix these core issues. Like if these core issues which we discussed in the grow component of the grow planner, if these are not addressed, means maybe we will be wasting a lot of money on the SEO, or we will be wasting a lot of money on the CRM or automation or social media posting. But those things will not be working if your hosting is not good, or if your niche is not properly targeted, you have not allocated a proper budget. Once the grow part or the component of the marketing framework or the plan is actually set up properly, like everything is done there, then the second part is the planner part. Okay, so the planner part is the first letter is in the word planner is P. So for P is like perfecting CRM implementation. What does that mean? When I say like perfecting CRM implementation, normally what happens is we normally put one form on a website called Contact Us, and people come there, they put their email address, name, or whatever we are asking them, like a kind of text box or a message box, or in worst cases maybe we are not putting even a contact form, and we are just putting there an email address which they can come and they can put in the email address and send us an email. Or we sometimes also put subscribe to our newsletter because we have seen it somewhere and we are also putting on our website. These are all the common mistakes, like when we are creating a website, we copy paste from different templates and we structure it in a way like it is designed for our business also, like the same way. The reason behind like perfecting CRM implementation is like we need to have some kind of customer relationship management system at the back end, which can handle leads, different kind of contact information from the people and from different channels. So if someone is trying to book an appointment, there should be a kind of system. Means if someone is trying to send us a message, that message should store in our customer relationship management system or in our CRM system. So we have to develop some kind of system at the back end which can on its own interact with the users, with the website users. So with the planner part of the Grow Planner framework, what we are trying to achieve is we are trying to streamline our recurring activities in a way that we know like what we are doing. So we have to check, or we have to optimize our CRM implementation on weekly basis, or on a fortnightly basis, or maximum on monthly basis. So we have to check like if someone is coming on our website, they are filling some kind of form, or where should we put the form, or if they are adding something to the cart and then they are not checking out, how we can follow up with them. So these things should be taken care of by the system itself instead of us reaching out to them, or maybe in some cases even it is not possible. So we have to see like how to interact with our users and how to educate them for our products, like how to interact with them. If we are writing some kind of blog or some kind of story, how to inform them. So all these things are actually covered, or we will be covering, or when you are actually implementing the framework on your own, the Grow Planner framework, how you will be addressing those issues. In the planner, part of the framework, the P is actually for perfecting CRM implementations. So I can speak at really length on these topics, but I don't want to make videos too long. So we will be discussing these topics in short videos one by one in my coming videos. Now the second component of the planner part of the framework is the letter L, and L is actually for leveraging SEO services. So the SEO services, I will just quickly give the background of the SEO services, but again I believe that a lot of people already know what are SEO services. This is for search engine optimization, and search engine optimization means like on page, off page SEO, and a lot of things are there. The planner part of the framework actually helps us to define like what kind of SEO services, or how much amount of our time or effort we should spend on SEO services, and what kind of strategies we should adopt when we are actually applying SEO services. So this is the part of the framework also, like how to optimize our website for search engine optimization. So we will also see like either these SEO services are needed anymore or not, because a lot of things are now going towards AI. We should invest in SEO services or not, or what will be the future of SEO services. So we will speak a lot on that in our future videos again. So I would really appreciate you guys. If you want to hear that kind of information from me, please subscribe to my channel, and we will be discussing these things in detail. The next letter which we are going to discuss in the planner framework is A, and A stands for Amplifying social media marketing. And what does that mean is, so as the name suggests, it's mostly with social media related kind of things. Like we will see what kind of activities we should be conducting on the social media, what kind of content we should be posting or sharing with the community. In this thing we will be also seeing like what kind of automation tools, how we can take leverage from the tools to automate our social media activities, which we will see when we will be discussing dedicated videos for each of the topic. There will be a lot of things which I will be sharing with you, and I hope those things will really help. And if you want to go with the shortcut way, you can always go on Amazon, you can download the book from there, or you can order it for yourself. Okay, now the next letter which we have in the planner word, that is N. N stands for navigating automation tools. So as we discussed earlier, there will be a lot of automation tools which we will be using, and we will be discussing a lot about that, like what kind of automation tools we can integrate into our website or into our marketing plan, in our strategy, that will help us to grow at a consistent rate, and leads will be automatically coming to us. So we will discuss about that. The second N in the planner word is for nurturing lead generation. Lead nurturing means, I will go again, I'm saying this too much today that I will make videos on all these topics, but I'm just also trying to give you a kind of sense, and I don't want to make this video too long. Lead nurturing means someone came on your website and they asked something and they didn't show up after that. What you have to do is you have to go back to them, you have to reach out again to them, and you have to offer some kind of discount or offer some kind of additional bonus or guarantee to them. So this kind of activity where you reach out after some kind of interaction again is called lead nurturing. You go back, you offer some kind of discount, or you offer some kind of bonus or something to them. You try to make a sale, not in a bad sense but in a good sense, and you try to give them some kind of value, give them some kind of reason to buy from you. You try to take care of that person who came to you and now they are not buying from you. The second last letter of the word planner is E, and E stands for evaluating sales and traffic. This is for a kind of phase where you analyze everything, like how the sales is actually going on, whatever we have done so far, like with the grow component and with all the activities which we are performing regularly with the planner component. Are they doing something or not? Means you evaluate, you go back, you check like everything is working fine or not. So you check the sales and you check the traffic on your website. It's that simple. And there are actually a lot of steps which you take, and those steps we will discuss again in our upcoming meetings. And now we go and check the last letter of the Grow Planner, that is R. R is for refining growth strategies. So with the R, what we will be doing is we will be refining our growth strategies. With those growth strategies, what I meant is we will be checking everything and we will be then refining that. If something is not working properly, we will be taking proper measures to correct those things. So there are also sub frameworks for each of the letter which we just discussed, or each of the phases we just discussed, that how to perform those kind of things. For example, how to refine the growth strategies. So there are again steps into that, and in our videos we will be discussing all those things. So far, if you have seen the video till this length, I am really proud of you, and I really give you a thumbs up today. And thank you very much for watching my video. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up, write something in the comment section, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you again in the next video.